okay?
Yeah, I think so. I'm all right, bud.
Who were those guys? They didn't look like dragon hunters.
You know, I don't know. With all the flying axes and tumbling down hills, I forgot to ask. Hey, what you got there, Toothless?
I think I know who those guys were.
Oh, no way. Vigo put a price on Hiccup's head? Oh, man. Every bounty hunter